I got these number 426 Channellock Pliers from 357 Magdad. There was a lot of rust and this pitting and some staining. First, I went to the wire wheel. After the wire wheel, everything looked pretty good, except there was still a lot of staining. So I used the fiber wheel to get rid of the heavy staining and to get a better look at what the metal looked like. I decided to try the buffer just to see what the result would be. Then I decided I needed to sand some more. I used wet dry sandpaper with WD-40 as the lubricant. Then I realized I had a machine that could do it much faster. And what would a 357 Magdad parody be without some flits? I'd never used it before, and it was pretty good, but it is more difficult than I thought it would be. And there she is. I think it turned out pretty good, except for the heavy pitting. That was really hard to get rid of. Thanks for watching. What? You thought I'd have a Ben Mall video without a before and after?